Today, I'm going to go ahead and open up this low profile floor jack I got from fabheavyparts.com. I'll go ahead and link it in the description below, but we're going to go ahead and start off. I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's in it. First off, it's packaged really well. It's very heavy. Not sure exactly the weight of this box here, but definitely heavy. Oh, it looks like it says right here it's 80 pounds. But they had two straps on it. Keep it secure. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. All right. Looks nice. It's very well packaged, looks like. So pull off, looks like the actual handle here. It's very nice quality. Nice grip. Styrofoam holding it all in. It's super nice packaging for sure. See, there's some low profile floor jack with dual pump, 2.5 to 4 tons. Safety instructions, it looks like. Cool. We'll pop it out of here. Just looking at it firsthand, it's super nice. It's got this nice pad on here for, going under your car. It's not going to damage anything. It does pop off. So it's a little bit of rubber, help protect the parts there. See if we can spin it around here. So it's dual pump, 3-ton, low profile floor jack. It's a really nice finish. Pretty heavy duty. Let's I'll get the handle on here. See if we can figure that out. It looks like there's just slides in there. There we go. Pop the little safety pin off. And once you get the safety pin off, now unscrew this bolt there. Just a little bit. Slide this in. There's a groove here. You can feel it kind of go in there. And then tighten this down. And then that won't come out. And then the top part here has a pin. Just push the pin in, slide it down, and it lines up there. So that's it for assembly. Super simple. And if you want to take this off, if it's in the way when you go to store it, you can loosen that bolt and pop that pin in and it'll come apart. So it's a low profile. Lifting range is going to be 3.3 inches to 19.75, so almost 20 inches of lifting height. It's certified safe with bolt-in safety systems. Protective design. It has the rubber saddle and a foam bumper on the handle to prevent vehicle damage, which is really nice. And it's user-friendly, 360 rotatable saddle, 52-inch, 2-piece handle, very easy to use and compact for storage. The website is going to be, if you guys want to take a look, it's at fabheavyparts.com. And it's the 3-ton hydraulic ultra-low floor jack with dual piston, quick lift pump. Here's the website and the actual jack itself. So it's Fab Heavy Parts. We got lots of other tools too. But we're going to go ahead and check the jack out today. So I'll pull it off the box here and we'll get it on the ground. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the Beetle lowered down back on the ground since I got done pulling that engine. So we'll test out this new floor jack. See how well it is here. It is pretty heavy, but that's good. I mean, I can manage it. It's not that heavy, but I think it says on the website it's around 75 pounds. So yeah, it's super smooth. The long handle is super nice. So if you want to slide it pretty far under a car, you still have the handle. It's not shoved way underneath. It does have a nice little tray here on the actual jack itself. So if you're, taking your lug nuts off, you can stick them on there, keep them stored, which is super cool. All right, let's go ahead and get this to use here. Let's test it out. Go ahead and lower my Volkswagen Beetle down here. We'll work on the front here. We'll get it up off this jack stand here. The jack moves around super smooth. You definitely can't really tell that it's 75 pounds. So let's see how good it pumps. Oh, it pumps up really nice. Grab the... Get this front end up. Oh, it works really nice. The two pistons on the pump down here make it go up a lot quicker, which is nice. So it's pretty effortless when you push down on that thing. I don't have a front end on this bug, so I've been just sticking it down there on that. Let's lower the car down here and see. The jack is super smooth. Awesome. That's great. That worked out really good. And since I don't have a front end, the car is super low. And with the jack being low profile like that, I can slide it right in, no problem. It's really nice. Oh. Now we'll work on the back here. We'll get it lifted up. Pull those two jack stands out. Pump here. The car's up pretty high right now, so we'll see how high I can get this jack to go. Let me measure it just for fun. See how high we are off the ground here. That's about 17 inches, so the jack's supposed to go up to 19.7, I believe. All right. Get it off there. Yep, it's off the two mounting points. Okay, we'll get this thing lowered down here. I'm just kind of going pretty slow right now. Make sure I'm run into anything. Okay, the rear end of this is pretty low. Oh yeah, no problem. That worked really well. First impressions, super nice jack, very well built. Everything's really nice quality. If you guys want to take a peek at it, I'll link their website in the description below with the floor jack linked on it there. So you can just click it, it'll take you right there and check out their website and look at all their stuff. you have any questions, you can comment in the section below. I can try to answer anything if you guys have any questions about the jack. See if I can answer those for you. Right on. Thanks for watching.